What's up guys, Shehbaz here. Is Huawei Mate 50 coming out this year? Perhaps the Chinese are preparing a big surprise. The analyst thinks Mate 50 may come out very soon. Huawei was very slow with the release of the Huawei P50 series smartphones. The devices did not debut in March, like their predecessors, but at the end of July, and sales has just begun. Against this background, there were not unfounded rumors that the next flagships of the Mate line were postponed. Supposedly, Mate 50 could not be expected until next summer. But display supply chain consultants, analyst Devin Naranjo does not believe these rumors. He believes that the Mate 50 is on the way. The premiere may take place as early as October this year. A loss, no more specifics, but there is something to think about. So, a couple of weeks ago, a Chinese source announced that Huawei will present many more new products this year, including unusual smartphones. And yesterday, data appeared with reference to a Huawei employee that the company has finally solved the problem with the lack of components that will return 5G support to its smartphones. A new rumor looms over the fate of the next Huawei Mate 50, or rather the Mate 50 series. According to a new leak from Rodent950 on his Twitter profile, it looks like the next top model, especially the Pro model, could use an under-display camera, making Huawei's final debut. But not only that, because the Mate series could see a fateful return to 5G for the brand's smartphones. This indiscretion is, of course, harder to imagine, but in an environment close to Huawei, they seriously believe in a return to current connectivity. The table posted Twitter listed the smartphones, whether outside or outside the home, equipped with an LTPO screen, and among the various models appear Huawei Mate 50 Pro with the date Q4 2021. The date is much closer than the second quarter of the year 2, which has been rumored in recent weeks. In these leaks, you can also see hints that Huawei will still has not abandoned the Mate 50 line. On the other hand, the announcement in October sounds very optimistic. Yes, the company has a big international announcement scheduled for October 21st in Vienna, but it will almost certainly be about the global versions of the P50 and P50 Pro. The Huawei Mate 50 in turn should first be presented to the home market in China, and only then, if there are no problems with production, to the rest of the world. So if the Huawei Mate 50 is really making its debut anytime soon, it is unlikely before November. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.